In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate sections on Wix. Duplicating sections is a quick and easy way to save time when designing your website. Whether you're creating a consistent layout across multiple pages or just want to reuse a section with slight modifications, this feature is a game changer for your workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to duplicate any section step by step and make the most out of this handy tool. So let's jump right in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Wix account. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can see a list of all the websites associated with your account. From here, select the site you wish to work on. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're choosing the one where you want to duplicate a section. Next, open the Wix website editor for the site you've selected. This is where all the design magic happens. Once the editor loads, you'll be able to see your website layout and make adjustments as needed. Now locate the section you want to duplicate. A section in Wix refers to a specific block of content on your page. This could be a banner, a text block, or even a section containing images or videos. Scroll through your page and find the section you want to copy. Once you've found it, click anywhere on that section. When you do this, you'll notice a blue box appear around the selected area. This blue outline indicates that the section is now active and you can perform certain actions on it. With the section activated, move your cursor to the top right corner of the blue box. You'll see three small dots appear. This is the section menu, which allows you to access additional options for that specific section. Click on those three dots to reveal the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Duplicate. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it. What happens now is that Wix will make an exact copy of the section you selected. This duplicated section will appear directly below the original one on your page. It's a perfect replica, including all the text, images, and formatting of the original section. At this point, you've successfully duplicated the section, but don't stop here just yet. The real power of this feature lies in the ability to edit the duplicated section to suit your needs. For instance, you can update the text to reflect new information, swap out images to give it a fresh look, or even change the background color to make it fit better with the rest of your design. The duplicated section is fully customizable, so take your time to make adjustments until it looks exactly the way you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to duplicate sections on Wix like a pro. It's a simple process, but it can save you so much time and effort when working on your website. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can reuse and modify sections to keep your designs consistent and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.